Hello there, good morning. This is Teacher Rachel and happy Monday to everyone. Happy every day, okay? Let's greet the Monday, right? Let's greet it happily and enthusiastically, Okay, so again, I'd like to invite you that if you need help with your academic lessons or reading and comprehension skills, you can contact us at APLUS Tutorial Center or RB APLUS RACH Reading and Tutorial Services. We offer tutorials for all academic lessons from nursery to senior high school. Okay, we do have a lot of good teachers and we can find a good slot or schedule for you. Just message us. Okay, so I hope you have a good day, a good week, and a good morning. I'll see you around. And again, this is Teacher Rachel. Oops, don't forget to subscribe to the channel APLUS Tutor, APLUS TUTOR, for some notes and about reading and comprehension, about the lessons, motivations, and everything in between, about life, about school life. Well, you can message, you can check our vlogs there. Okay, I'll see you again next time. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel APLUS Tutor, or if you need help for your lessons, look for Teacher Rachel, RB APLUS RACH Reading and Tutorial Services, or APLUS Tutorial Center. I'll see you around, guys. Watch out for the stream later. Bye. Thank you.